Hi everyone, in this video I want to explain how to use Oxiclean properly and how to maximize the effect. First you need to add Oxiclean powder, some Oxiclean powder with your clothes and towel. And then you also need to use normal amount of laundry detergent. Whichever is okay, like you can use your favorite brand. And then you should stop cycle during they are washing your clothes and use warm water. And also if your clothes is really dirty, you should like set heavy setting. And I prefer to rinse well, so I also set 2 round rinse. And when you stop washing circle, you should wait at least 1 hour, and then you can restart. And you can stop as much as you want, actually, by using this button. Yeah, if your clothes is really dirty and you wanna whiten your clothes well, you can wait overnight. And after you wait for a while, you can restart. And by doing this, you can wash your clothes and towel very clean, deeply. And Oxiclean also has many kinds. This is chlorine free and safe on colors version of Oxiclean. And this smells good, but if you have a baby or you don't wanna have any fragrance or chemical, I recommend this brand too, because this made from very simple ingredient are just 2 ingredients, sodium carbonate and sodium carbonate peroxide. So this is recommendable for everyone who has a pet or a baby and wanna use eco-friendly cleaner as much as possible. This is recommendable. You can easily find on Amazon. And the borax is also eco-friendly and natural cleaning aid. I also like borax too, but need to be careful. Pet will not reach this product because this is toxic if pet eat inside the powder, so be careful if you have a cat or dogs. So this I recently found. When I use this fabric softener, your cat's hair or dog's hair will not stuck on your clothes. I usually don't use laundry softener so often because I feel like it's still not natural, so I sometimes just dry up my clothes with a little bit of vinegar, and it's also make your clothes fluffy and soften. So I sometimes use this. Thank you for watching. Please try this way. Just stop for a while during washing cycle and just wait, and your clothes will become very clean. Thank you for watching.